walking out the showroom feeling all the vibes to a front pad that is full of vibes as well, y'all. We've got two Super Duty F250 Diamond Everest Edition. Did I say 2022? Yeah, that's right. Big screen and all, listed up. Most dealers don't even have these trucks. We've got them elevated. Let's go. So first off, I forgot to mention to you guys, it is Friday. We have a huge tournament at Lake Point in Emerson, Georgia for my son Brady and his teams. I'm pumped about that. Trying to get these two videos knocked out on both of these beauties before I head out. Now this one behind us, if you saw and followed our channel, we had another one very similar to this one. That one's already sold. We got another one to replace it, and an iconic silver that's gonna shake it up in a good way. Iconic silver is definitely one of my favorite colors. In 2015, when the body style came out of the 13th gen, you know, I was hot and heavy about the silver. It showcased the body lines the best, in my opinion. And then you've got a beautiful, it used to be white platinum metallic, is now star white. Very similar, lots of metallic flake in that, a premium paint job as well that is right there with it as far as showcasing and just being a true diamond, like I like to call it, y'all. So we've got F150 covert sitting right next to it, STX package. That's a beauty. Check out that video too if you're interested in this one. But oh my gosh, iconic silver is kind of like a debate, y'all. The video today is about the iconic silver, but we got the star white right next to it. So I guess this video is turning into iconic silver or star white. You got to stick around to the end before I tell you what my personal pick is between these two colors. Let's get right to the review. It being almost the end of September of 2021, these 2022 Super Duties are probably the hottest thing we've got going right now for a huge reason, and it is right here. That big 12-inch touchscreen with the Sync 4 system. A lot of the rest of the amenities and hard specs are really unchanged. This interior with the big screen looks so much better. Essentially it's the same interior, but the big screen and your new controls down below really evolved this generation to appease and take care of a lot of you great customers that's just needing some big screen, better capability, overall everyday pleasure. Both of these trucks being Lariat sport packages, you already get leather. We threw in WeatherTechs to top it off. Iconic silver, what do you think about that? In the Lariat sport package, you get the black headlights, black grille, body color bumpers, body color door handles, black cap, black side badge, matching emblem out back. And the emblem out front, it actually has some copperish gold to it where the chrome normally would be. It just kind of dumbs it down. It works because it still has that signature standout forward script, which is just, you got to show it off, y'all. So we are 6-inch lifted on a Rocky Mountain truck, suspension lift kit, full components. You got different springs, shocks, different mounts and brackets, and we are on a slight different tire this time, 37, 13.5, 20 Toyo Open Country RT, that hybrid tire that's like the Ridge Grappler, that gives you great ride quality, great mileage, and still has that mud terrain overall look to it. This is actually a thicker sidewall ply than most of your other tires, so this has more of a off-road vibe to it than even the Ridge Grappler. We got 4-play wheels in 20x9, are offset and stance with these side fender flares, still puts you in that mid-level range because the flares definitely accommodate and help cover a lot of your negative on your offset there. So the Bushwhacker smooth side fender flares, if you don't want that aggressive stance, run those. You're still sticking out a good 1.5 to 2 inches, but without those you'd be a good 4 inches outside the wheel well. We actually also trimmed the front valence. The valence is very low, hint hint, and it just looks so much better when you trim it up ever so nicely. The 4-play wheel, been running that one along with the Amp Research power boards. It's a good go-to package entry. It's got some dark tint and black throughout with some nice simulated bead locks going on with that too. Here's a good look at those Bushwhacker fender flares and overall stance of a 6-inch lifted truck. Now 6 inches is a lot, you know what I'm saying? So a 6-inch Super Duty lift is very tall, maybe too tall for some of you. So I need to know what most of y'all prefer. Would it be like our normal 2.5-inch covert leveled Super Duties, or even the 4-inch, which is probably my favorite besides the 2.5. The 6-inch, y'all, really is a super tall truck. You actually can run 38s on this application as well, but it's just a big truck, but it rides so well to be so high. So back to it, you got FX4 package, you got rear wheel well liners, as well as a Ford spray and bed liner that come on the Lariat Sport packages now. Let me know what you think about that hybrid tire from Toyo. It's a popular one. Been used a lot. Not my favorite. I like the KM3 better. I like the Ridge Grappler better than the RT. I wish they would redo the RT and change the sidewall, and it would probably be in the running for me to run next, possibly. But I just think there's some better options as far as looks. As far as experience on road, it's phenomenal. You have no issues with that. Great mileage, tried and true, but just from a look standpoint, which I heavily consider, it's not my favorite. So anyway, y'all, let me know what you think about the Iconic Silver, standing tall on a 6-inch lift, 37s, 13.5 wides, full components throughout, and price point wise on both these trucks are very similar. Pause here for the options. Stock number NEC 29482 is 78,665 before, basically a 16.6 package with all the amenities that we discussed already. Just a typical Everest edition entry level, and I say entry level because there's so much more we can still add on top of this. Now over to the Star White. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let you know that I have a Iconic Silver Raptor coming. We have a Bronco and Iconic Silver coming, but between these two, I like the Star White. The Iconic Silver is phenomenal as well, but just for some reason, the black accents with the white on this Super Duty, to me, it's just hitting a little bit different. Star White at Akins in Winder, Georgia, akinsford.com. Check it out. Another almost identical Everest edition rolling right here at Akins. Again, Lariat Sport package is our foundation. You've got the black accents that come with that package. Trim the front Valence up. Different tire on this one, 37, 13.5, 20, BFG, KM3, mud terrains, exact same wheel, exact same 6-inch Rocky Mountain truck lift kit. Features and amenities on this Lariat Sport, almost identical as well. Side bushwhacker fender, flares in the smooth form, wheel well liners, Ford bed liner. I just need to know, y'all, what do you think? Do you like the Star White or the Iconic Silver better? Both have the back bed step from Amp Research as well, just because you have a tailgate step that's functional, but also this here is just a nice access without having to drop the tailgate. Love that option also. Again, mild to wide scale on the offset being -18. We are pretty aggressive, still sticking outside the fender slightly, but the bushwhacker flares definitely give you some more coverage to accommodate and fix, alleviate just all the stuff that's going to sling up from the tires if you're going down the road or off-road. Again, same interior, same big 12-inch touchscreen. Let's now jump in and show you some of the capability and differences of this big screen. Look how premium that is. Gotta love that. Center stack still has an 8-inch screen there also, but just the 12-inch is really the big notation difference in this new beautiful truck. Backup camera, very clear and precise. The grid lines change as you turn. Also have the ability to do a tow mode there, and just the clarity on your navigation and how smooth and responsive this Sync 4 system with a 12-inch touchscreen. They keep pushing the envelope, all manufacturers do, but especially Ford, to bring and listen to the consumers and give them what they're expecting. Auxiliary switches up top, as well as a twin panel moonroof, really cap off all you could ask for in a Super Duty to rock and roll from the factory with our Everest Edition package right here at Akins. Both trucks are available. Today is the 24th of September. Big tournament for us tonight, so stay tuned for more info on that. But I need to know, Star White, Iconic Silver, 6 inches, 4 inches, or 2.5 inches. We can run 37s on all three of those lift applications. So we're doing more 6-inch trucks now just to test the market with the resources that we have. Been doing some 6 inches here lately. Definitely gonna keep the 2.5s and the 4 inches rolling to you, but just need to know by design and by you great customers coming in and testing and buying and living with these trucks, what is the best. So again, Real Deal Neal, Wild Willies at Akins. Thanks for watching, y'all. We got a lot coming next week. I'm telling you, we got to have a lot in that We have Super Duty and so many more bad, beautiful trucks coming to you. So definitely turn that bell notification on, hit the subscribe button, and hit the like, because I know you like it. I know you love these videos because we got beautiful trucks and nothing but positivity. That's what we're all about right here. And from my heart, real deal at Akins. Peace, y'all.